In today's episode of Car Seat Safety School, we're going to learn about rebound and rotation. This is the all-new Diono LiteClik RXT. A few things I love about the base on this seat in particular are the steel core, the belt lock-off that makes a seatbelt install so quick and convenient, the anti-rebound bar, and the top tether. Yes, I said top tether. The LiteClik 30XT and 30RXT both have this technology on the base. So what's it for? You may remember from your grade school science class that for every action, there's an equal opposite reaction. Well, in a crash, we typically see a rear-facing car seat rotate downward toward the floor. This is expected, and there are limits as to how much rotation is allowable under federal crash testing standards. The opposite reaction to this downward rotation is what we call rebound, where the seat will then move back in the other direction. The top tether helps to limit the amount of downward rotation, while the anti-rebound bar helps to limit the amount of rebound. The end result? These two features work together to help reduce crash forces on the child's body in a crash by managing rotation and rebound. It's really cool to see these additional safety features being added to infant car seats. And here's hoping it's the start of a trend in the industry.